of the crucial match for Krobia Asante Kotoko versus Medeama or Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. And pretty for any players next year. Playing body no Asia Mensia representatives represented by Nana, the chief of staff, Nana Kofi Bedu. Now after that, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, NCC, the leadership of the NCC, and so Asia playing body no. Warning Sesu. Now assurance on Swaba, assurance aba ahead of the game no, everything point to a victory. And once more higher they brought on Super 24 TV, Black Stars of Ghana, they be amekase krum hano. Ghana hano, a 2 things. Kotoko Blasters, Blasters, the journey to 2026 World Cup no ebaso. It started Friday about 4 p.m. Ewo the Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. Udim say Ghana hano Baba Nyara Sports Stadium kwa any day the recognized football stadium ubetimi abo CAF and FIFA tournament ewo ho. Eye the Baba Nyara Sports Stadium and a game ne koso. Chris Hilton a Black Stars coach or in sem atudwa. Chris Hilton and in sem atudwa. Na Madagascar coach no atil Ghana warning. Wama Ghana strong warning. O say share yamba Ghana say e be vacation no yamba di holidays wo krum ha. Na Ghana njine yi ene by 6 p.m. na yehunu de ebesie ewo World Cup qualified game ekoso ebekoso ewo krum ha say no supporters yanko stadium ho ma na bibia enye fine. Yes, CAF and a FIFA unim say last week Saturday and a player friend Raphael Jamina enya the baby ekoye na Raphael Jamina ya meka no ho asemi na o Boba Black Stars and say na koma sense minti unya bimbobio na Ghana Football Association etro koma eye FIFA and the CAF so omo pese omo observe 1 minute silence. Now 1 minute silence no empanyfo approve and Ghana game no 1 minute silence is going to be observed for a Raphael Jamina the late into the no Ghana Premier League match day 11 baso Ghana Premier League match day 11 baso. Quickly, let me run by you the fixtures and Sakrana Mazumi straight into Kumasi Asante Kotoko issues. Kumasi Asante Kotoko this weekend, yene Medeama ewo the Splash Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. Ehona sa game no ebekoso Saturday echina moro. Na Ghana Premier League no yeni international breaks because players now move free league no eba no. Players no iswa this time around there were 3 players from the Ghana Premier League Medeama players no kwa Sowa Nuruddin and Fatau Hamidu omoni players omo kobo Black Stars game ni biba omo kra no me doubt say o betimi ya start here. I be at this first half na ye chengofo ni chomo be 3 bi. Let us see who say ya kill game no. Na afedi ye the players now omo ta tena chire no abem. Enti de wom ni Saturday Accra another Heart of Lions and the Bechem United ebebo ewo the Hoho Sports Stadium. Saturday na bium Karela United ene aduana e de bepem so Saturday na bium na Sunday Krobia Asante Kotoko ene Medeama no miensa ewo the Baba Nyara Sports Stadium, the game which is going to turn around Kumasi Asante Kotoko season no Asante Kotoko ni Medeama from training grounds players no obia hoedin. Now this time around ore ebeba sa game no so any meeting a course no ni nyina ho se me de bebro after se me de will run it through the fixtures. Brekum Chelsea any Lagos cities and ebebo. Brekum Chelsea any Lagos cities and ebebo. Royal Tamale United any Dreams FC and so edebepem so kwasiada. Na Gold Stars any Nations FC. Let us say Nations FC be call away to Gold Stars. These two clubs both are struggling. Na bofo kwata no any insuatreman enso edebepem so. Bofo kwata no any insuatreman edebepem so. Na Great Olympics any FC Samates. Great Olympics any FC Samates enso edebepem so. Na eno be Monday na Tuesday Accra Lions any Accra House of Folk enso ede apem so. Eno no fixtures are all for March the 11th of the Ghana Premier League. Now me sure say what follow adewe pa Ghana Premier League no this weekend games no Heart of Lions games against Bechem United, Asante Kotoko versus Medeama, Great Olympics any Samates, and Accra Lions any Accra House of Folk games no ombeyi na start times live eso. Na open club this season ye ni game bia e Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So e Kumasi Asante Kotoko and this season ye ni game bia because of obvious reason. Kotoko no e huge. Kotoko bema on numbers no. Kotoko ma start time numbers no. It's because of that fact inti. Kotoko game bi wo wa itimi epia ba animu itimi pia kwa echiri sene ye be ya it will accommodate the it will make way, it could accommodate for the game to be telecasted. Na Amponsah management ade bi ama me mona ba so minim sasese in start times for Emma Sambra ni jina. Wonim say sa season no Amponsah management fought start times and the leadership of the FA said no. Start time sikan I wasn't Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyamo because of omudli games no the broadcaster is shown more and we are there but the born and Amponsah super because of some move now we no and yewura the second season and I said the third season at start times duma televised games no na minhwehwe mu no enya nadi se still na Kotoko ne other clubs na eje pa. It is going to be very unfair. It is going to be very unfair because Kotoko game bia you show. Kotoko game bia you show. Into mekaya last season na Kotoko supporters e ka say some of Kotoko supporters guys at the ground Kotoko fans and stadiums they say because of the Kotoko game bia you show the TV into encourage am for some for because stadium and not there. So argument no in a different day on a different day many bit my say enye nu ntia last season there na ball na no emre yen ka no kre into my member na Amponsah abaso for that move I will take here no minim sa this season na da so ginem Kotoko was a Kotoko jekese echen all the clubs not even Accra House of Folk ebi Accra House of Folk dey eno mo njepe ana one me ya adwen no Kotoko NCC no National Council supporters leadership Asia players no mo de ani bre kasa pa ne players ne kasa and the players no so de abotodwom kasa ama mo say omo sero mo this weekend here win no ebeba na win the bat said the bia na make no win no is going to turn around their season. They need just one win to turn around this season. And Moses Parker so akasa Moses Parker say Kotoko no enya omo level ne Kotoko ye mpanyifo na Kotoko yo senior brothers nti ba o mabai no enye gidi bia omo the results bia bia o mesum Moses Parker na metie no Kesben Sports and I'm a taste of cancer and 7 to one. Almost a game way no, and it has so be any woman. And see the ABCB no a fan of the call because game way any brabren. Because I got 7 games near end the first one no more. As a number the me say time womb, but I'm say time with him. I got 7 games near end the first round, and I crop as ante Kotoko, yeah, that's 16th, and yet. But crowd said the BM because after first 10 games, near the IR assessment, first 10 games are by the 16, and yet it's very bad. Saturday, Sunday, young Koba Bayara. Last game no basso, the ABCB, the one sember bro, super 24 TV no so. But I'm my own subscriber, yeah, now what boss mami. Now your movie together. Information there, it be we are see you, your man koso. See, I mean, no case crano. Bibi koso wa yeni, but see we are the babonte.